Morning guys. Gising lang natin. It's 5:01 a.m. Let's get ready to our first day of training kasi babalik na ako sa real estate career ko as a real estate agent. Si Apro guys. Baby boy. My baby boy. My baby boy. Hello, Apro. Libre ni Bebe ang breakfast. Traffic.
Nagbulig.
Ibigay dito ang musya isa, is my